united in grief under the trees of peace. Ignorance is bliss, yet it feels like at this very moment I would trade it just to be heard. Bound in the unseen realities of circumstances, we deny the fact of our fate. Life is what you make it. How I wonder what we're making. Cut the crap, pluck the thorns. The workplace has become a game of thrones, trading each other like strips of beton. I wonder who's got the tongues. Two for the post, but who's willing to strike the frost? Buried in the cold, yet it feels like a toast. Spiritual spies touting, greedy guts like ghosts haunting. Character assassination on a replay. I wonder how big the debt so we can pay. Take a moment, introspect. This is such a paradox, cause we never bother to borrow, not ask where the hope is. The hope when deferred makes the heart sick. See, in the silence the heart speaks. How I am shaking spears, and now they call me William. Seeking to shake off some tantrum in a conundrum. Building destructively, call it an act of perjury. Holding on to the other while pushing the opposite. What a relational deficit. God forbid, how I feel like I'm treading in the forbidden kingdom. Truly there's no one perfect under the sun. Not that I condone evil, I'm just trying to decaffeinate deception. I'm a civil, but not a killer. Truth and transparency is my driver.